It's KJH Family and Fun.
Hi, it's me, KJ, the filmmaker / artist, and welcome to KJH Family and Fun. So today on KJH Family and Fun, we're obviously on a vacation trip right around now, so I just fly here instead of just driving here or anything else. So we just fly here for some reason only, and for some stars, we just fly here really earlier, and then we just stop here to eat some breakfast. So the breakfast food I had was cool. At IHOP, and there I had some hot chocolate and some pancakes, eggs, and bacon for all that matter. And I guess we're probably right about here, right about now, and I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I'll figure out, do something around here, and for some reason I'm just going to stay here for like 3 nights or so, and I guess we're going to have to figure out right about now then. First, we heard of Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds, and now it gets ready for a sequel known as The Seagulls. Hi, it's me, KJ, the filmmaker / artist, and right about now I'm at this hotel. And you can see we're in the hotel room right about now. It's me, KJ's filmmaker slash artist, and I'm back at home once again for some reason only. So I'm finally back at here, the new house it is, even though it's like we're here at the new house or something like that. So I had to say that I had my fun. Sometimes I don't, even though I feel like I could just create a short about what I was doing if I didn't have fun on that trip. I know. But eventually things are going to get better for some reason only, even though sometimes I had some not so okay time for some reason only. But then again, I began to realize that maybe I shouldn't just focus on what is considered negative, but instead I should just focus on what is considered positive. Like, for example, focusing on a trip I'm going to. Or you can just focus on your work days either way or something like that, if anything. And I probably had to end this videotape right about now.